Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you manage your third-party accounts in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, first of all you have to open your browser, because you can do that into mobile application also, but that will be messy because you have to go into so many sections of your settings. But if you open your browser into the desktop mode and open this site bitget.com, and you will get to see this section where you will have to tap into this profile icon into the top right side. Simply tap there, and after that you will get this option of security. Select security, and after selecting security you will get to see a bunch of options where you will get to see this option of third party account management into here. Just simply tap into manage option, and after that you can easily manage your Google account, Apple account, Telegram and Bitget wallet and MetaMask, and you can also change or set the accounts from this section. And this way you can very easily manage your third-party accounts into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.